Rome didn't collapse because of barbarians. It rotted from within, corrupted by its own hunger for gold. Senators sold laws to merchants, generals sold loyalty for coin, and the people sold freedom for bread. By the time the gates fell, the empire had already been bought, piece by piece. Aristotle once warned, money was meant to be a tool for trade, not the purpose of life. But men never learn. They still mistake wealth for strength and comfort for stability. Men still believe they can defeat history. Every great power thinks it's eternal, until its marble cracks, and its citizens trade discipline for pleasure. And somewhere, beyond the noise of its markets and machines, you can hear the same silence that once swallowed Rome.